Welcome to Infraconsoft Inventory and Fleet Management Software. To log in, type the username and password, and then select your branch. Here, there are three modules: Inventory Master modules, Inventory Transaction modules, Inventory Report modules. Inventory Master module Item Code Generation. The item code generation system is designed to automatically create unique item codes for every inventory item, ensuring efficient tracking and organization. How it works. The system follows a hierarchical structure to generate item codes. Category: the main classification of the item. Subcategory: a division within the main category. Inner subcategory: a more specific classification under the subcategory. Deep inner subcategory: the most detailed classification level. Each item in the inventory, no matter how small, is assigned a unique code, making it easy to manage, search, and track items without confusion. Automatic code generation ensures each item has a distinct, structured identifier. To add a new category. Now, enter the category name here, and then, followed by the subcategory name, if applicable. Once done, click Save to update the system. A confirmation message appears, indicating the successful addition of the new category. Editing an existing category or subcategory. If you need to modify an existing category or subcategory, simply click on the Edit button. Make the necessary changes and click Update. This ensures that the inventory system remains accurate and up to date. The changes are now successfully saved in the system. With structured item codes, your inventory remains well organized. Item management. The item management feature allows users to efficiently manage inventory by categorizing items, maintaining stock levels, and ensuring proper documentation of product details. To add a new item, click on the Add New button. This opens a form where you can enter essential details for a newly purchased product. Screen shows the item code selection process. Users must select an existing item code from the item code generation facility. This ensures uniformity and consistency across the inventory database. After selecting an item code, you can enter additional details such as UOM, unit of measure, specifies the measurement unit for the item. Price, enter the cost of the item. Conversion rate defines the conversion factor for different measurement units. Minimum and maximum stock levels helps maintain efficient stock control. Tariff indicates any applicable taxes or duties. Class items are categorized as A. Most important items. B. Moderately important items. C. Least important items. Capital or non-capital. Capital items are long-term assets such as machinery. Non-capital items include consumables like stationery. Once done, click Save to update the system. A confirmation message appears, indicating the successful addition. To update an item, locate the product in the item list and click on the Modify button. Modify the necessary details and save the changes to update inventory records. If an item is no longer needed, you can remove it by clicking the Delete button. Confirm the deletion to ensure the item is permanently removed from the system. This structured item management system ensures efficient inventory tracking, categorization, and easy retrieval of product details. Item Tree View feature. Screen displays the hierarchical structure of inventory items. The Item Tree View feature provides a clear, hierarchical structure of all inventory items, making it easy to view, search, and manage stock efficiently. Key features. Visual hierarchy displays categories, subcategories, inner subcategories, and deeper levels in a structured tree format. Example: office supplies, electronics, printers. Quick search: instantly find items using the search or item code bar. Enter the item code, and the system retrieves the details immediately. Effortless item addition: click Add New Category to be redirected to the item code generation module. Easily add new categories, subcategories, or items from a single interface. This tree-based view and search functionality ensures a streamlined, organized, and user-friendly way to manage and track inventory. Supplier with Item feature. Screen displays the Supplier with Item management interface. The Supplier with Item feature enables seamless management of supplier details and their associated inventory items. Key functionalities: add and manage suppliers. Click Add New to enter supplier details such as name, supplier's official name, address 1 and 2, primary and secondary addresses for correspondence, city and PIN code, location details, phone number and email, contact details for communication, fax, optional fax number, PIN and TIN number, tax identification details, RC date and GST number, registration and tax compliance details, GST date and tax type, applicable tax details and categorization, tax percentage and discount percentage, applied tax rate and any discounts, packing and forwarding percentage, charges related to packaging and logistics, payment and delivery, payment terms and estimated delivery timelines, insurance and ECC number, coverage details and compliance codes, contact person, designated supplier representative, supplier type, classification of supplier, remarks, additional notes or instructions. Save supplier details. Once all supplier details have been entered, click Save to store the information in the system securely. Click Add Item to be redirected to the Supplier with Item Add page. Here, click Add Item again and assign suppliers to specific items. Enter details like price, GST, quality rating, good, excellent, average, poor, delivery timeline. Modify or delete records. View all linked suppliers and their items in a structured table. To update supplier details, click Modify to save the changes. If a supplier record is no longer needed, click Delete to remove it from the system. Quick search functionality. Instantly find suppliers using the search bar by entering supplier name, supplier code. This feature ensures efficient supplier item management, making it easy to track, update, and optimize procurement processes. Supplier with subassembly feature. Screen displays the supplier with subassembly management interface. The supplier with subassembly feature helps efficiently manage subassembly parts and their associated suppliers, ensuring accurate records and smooth procurement processes. Key functionalities. Add and link suppliers to subassembly parts. Select a supplier code, which redirects to the Add Item page. Click Add Item to assign a subassembly part to a supplier. Example: if linking a cushion as a subassembly, select its item code and enter price, GST, discounts, quality rating, good, excellent, average, poor, delivery time, good, excellent, average, poor. Modify or delete subassembly items. View all linked subassemblies and suppliers in a structured table. View all linked suppliers and their items in a structured table. To update supplier details, click Modify to save the changes. If a supplier record is no longer needed, click Delete to remove it from the system. Quick search functionality. Find suppliers quickly using the search bar by entering supplier code, supplier name. The supplier with subassembly module simplifies supplier and subassembly management.